Good morning, friends. Today is our 20th day class. In other words, Speak English Series 20. For the last 19 days, we were dealing with tenses and we have covered about 9 tenses. Now there are 3 tenses remaining. So today let us look into future tense and all the 4 future tenses. Simple future we already said, but today also let us go into all the 4 future tenses. First is simple future. Here we are using the verb write. So the first question can be, what will you write tomorrow? I shall write English tomorrow. What will you be writing by 10 o'clock tomorrow? I shall be writing English by 10 o'clock tomorrow. What will you have written by tomorrow evening? I will have written English by tomorrow evening. What will have you been writing for the coming 2 weeks? I shall be writing English. I shall have been writing English for the coming 2 weeks. So we have gone through the tense with I as the subject. So let us go with we as the subject. The question is same. The first question is, what will you write tomorrow? I shall write English tomorrow. Now we say instead of I shall, we shall write English tomorrow. The second question is, what will you be writing by 10 o'clock tomorrow? We shall be writing English by 10 o'clock tomorrow. What will you have written by tomorrow evening? We shall have written English by tomorrow evening. What will have you been writing for the coming 2 weeks? You will have been writing English for the coming 2 weeks. Now we are dealing with the next subject, that is you as the subject. So when we use you as the subject, in the question we use I. So the question can be, what shall I write tomorrow? You will write English tomorrow. What shall I be writing tomorrow? You will be writing English tomorrow. What will have I written by tomorrow evening? We shall have you will have written English by tomorrow evening. Next is, what will I have been writing for the coming 2 weeks? You will have been writing English for the coming 2 weeks. Now we are using he as the subject. The question can be, what will he write tomorrow? He will write English tomorrow. What will he be writing tomorrow? He will be writing English tomorrow. What will he have written tomorrow evening? He will have written English by tomorrow evening. What will he have been writing for the coming 2 weeks? He will have been writing English by the coming 2 weeks. Now we use they as the subject. The question will be, what will they write tomorrow? They will write English tomorrow. What will they be writing tomorrow? They will be writing English tomorrow. What will they have written by tomorrow evening? They will have written English by tomorrow evening. What will have they been writing for the coming 2 weeks? They will have been writing English for the coming 2 weeks. So we have gone through other subjects using the verb write. And now we have used all the future tenses, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Here we are considering two aspects. One is the structure, the other is the meaning. Regarding structure and meaning, what in the case of simple present, the structure is subject plus will or shall plus verb. That is the structure. The meaning is we are going to talk about an action which is going to happen in the future time. Second is subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Here we are going to talk about an action which is going on in the future. Then next is future perfect. The structure is subject plus will or shall plus have plus past participle. Here we are talking about an action which is complete in the future time. Now we come to the next tense, that is future perfect continuous. Here we are going to talk about an action which started in the future and is continuing in the future. That is, the structure is subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb. That's the structure. The meaning is we're talking about an action which is continuing in the future for a period of time. Now we have gone through the future tense using all the subjects. Up to now, we have gone through 12 tenses, starting from simple present. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Now we know the structure and meaning in the case of all the 12 tenses. So we know what's right and what's wrong, at what time we have to use this tense or that tense. So regarding time and or regarding meaning, we know the right thing. And we know the right thing, we know the right question, then we know the right answer. So we'll be able to ask right questions and answer right questions. And we know it well. So for that, what we have to do is we can practice all the 12 tenses every day, several times. So going through all the 12 tenses several times, asking questions, answering questions, then we will be able to improve our power of listening, power of understanding, power of speaking, and the result is, the target is to speak English. So we'll be able to speak English well through constant practice. May God bless us to do constant practice so that we will reach our target, that is to speak English. So today is our 20th day class. For the last 20 days, we have been dealing with different aspects, starting from introduction. We have gone through tenses and we have gone through questions and answers in the tenses. Now only thing we have to practice. So practice it tense by tense, day by day, so that you will be able to speak well. So may God bless us to attain our target. So I thank God for enabling me to talk to you. And I also thank Guru for enabling me to talk to you. Then I thank all of you for listening me. Thank you all. Thank you very much.